acceptances, your experience all about the classes at here at IELA Islamabad, as well as your experience in IELTS exam. Yes, some of the experience.
Before coming to this institute, the issue was that I really had no experience regarding this one, So, known to an English language and preparing for examination is something else, So when I came here to the sir, the concepts I had were not clear with me, So to give the exam, okay, there's a proper way to write an essay and all those things, So you should be familiar with these things, So as far as face-to-face speaking exam, so sir told me that the subject will be something like, social or maybe sports or something like this. So luckily the subject was sports, for me. And regarding, you can say, writing and reading, actually my expectation was totally different. I was thinking that from listening I was going to gain more marks, more points, but it was different. So this needs practice, And sir already told me, but the issue was that I was already doing a job, 24 hours job, you can say. So the target that I had in my mind was at least 6, but I gained 5.5. So
at least more than your
at least more than the one I was thinking, but I did vocabulary mistakes a lot, So you should focus on this thing. And the main thing is the timing, there will be a lot of pressure during the exam, So you will have to focus that thing,
Yeah. How you pass your reading exam?
But reading was tough for me too, but I did very little practice, like my thinking was that I'm gonna gain more marks in reading and listening, I did totally opposite in this thing.
Just for experience, how you manage the time?
Well, it was total pressure, I didn't manage anything, It was just survival, I tried my best to survive in that time, And one thing more, during the writing exam, okay, they'll give you 2 sheets at the same time, And the questions will be given like essay or the letter. That will be given to you at the same time. So you might be thinking that I can start with an essay first and the letter. No. They are, they are keeping an eye on you guys, So you cannot start with an essay first and letter later. No, this is not like this, Especially for the general guys. And focus on those things, especially the 4 paras and all those things,
First we have to write letter.
First you have to write letter, okay, then you'll be writing the essay,
Task 1 on first page.
First page and task 2 on the second page. Both will be given at the same time, but you cannot start them at the same time.
Randomly.
Yeah, randomly. I started, the
whole, yeah.
essay first and.
So I hope it is to be clear a little bit. Yeah, the whole session with Hasnain was also interesting. Yeah, sometimes he was of my student to never complete homework, sometimes, right? But he was regular, by the way. He was coming regular even because of his busy schedule. And I really appreciate the bands he achieved. His speaking, by the way, is very good. That is very nice. A plus point, right? So we are awarding certificate. You can clap for him. Yes,
Thank you, sir.
Award certificate. Thank you.